friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribe, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module we are going to discuss our second question. What is that? So here we need to find remaining four terms. They are given already one terms. So first term, what is that? First question, first term, a is equals to 10, and what is the common difference? So difference is 10. So first one, let's going to take first one. A1 will be equal to 10 and difference is 10. So what is this n term? So n term will be equal to a plus n term will be equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the nth term, last term formula. But we don't require that one here. So a2 will be equal to a1 plus here a1 plus n minus 1 into d, no need to require, that is 2 minus 1, 1 will be 1. So difference. So a1 plus a2, then a3 will be equal to a2 plus, what is the difference? So a1 we know that 10, what is the common difference? 10, 20. So a2 is what? 20. Then what is a3? a3 will be equal to a2 plus difference. So it is going to difference, we know what is the formula of d will be equal to a2 minus a1. So from this formula we need to require this. So a3 minus a2, a4 minus a3, that is the difference. From there we are calculating this one. Don't confuse. So difference of two terms, that's all. So a2 will be equal to 20 plus 10 will be equal to 30. Then a4 will be equal to, what is that? A4, a3 plus d. So a3 is 30 plus 10. What value we will get? 40. So these are the a1 will be equal to 10 and a2 will be equal to 20, then a3 will be equal to 30, then a4 will be equal to 40. So in arithmetic progressions, these are the terms, four terms, a1, a2, a3, a4, that is 10, 20, 30, 40. If you take common difference, d will be, we know that is 10. Then what is the second one? So second one will be a1 will be equal to minus 2, then difference will be equal to 0. There is nothing, difference is nothing. So a2, so difference is a2 minus a1. So we know that one. So a2 will be equal to what? a2 will be equal to a1 plus d. a1 is minus 2 plus d will be equal to 0, then minus 2. There is no change at all. Constant, that is fixed. Then a3, a2 plus d. a2 is minus 2 plus 0, that is minus 2. So this is the value. Then what is the a4, fourth term? That is a3 plus d, that is minus 2 plus 0, then value minus 2. So these are the terms. There is no change in difference for that. There is no change in difference for that. It is 0. So a1, a2, a3, a4, all the numbers are constants. So a1 will be equal to minus 2. Then a2 will be equal to minus 2. Then a3 will be equal to minus 2. Then a4 will be equal to minus 2. So these are the values. Then our third one. So let's going to take, what is our third question? a1 will be equal to 4. Then d will be equal to minus 3. a1 will be equal to 4 and d will be equal to minus 3. So what are the terms? a1. So a2 will be equal to, what is that? a1 plus d. We know this one. a1 plus, for the previous one we are going to add difference. So a1 will be 4 plus of minus 3. So 4 minus 3 will be equal to 1. 4 minus 3 will be equal to, plus into minus minus, for that 4 minus 3. So 4 minus 3 we know that is 1. Then a3, what is that? a2 plus d. So a2 will be equal to what? 1 plus of minus 3. So what value will get? 1 minus 3 minus 2. So 1 minus 3 will be minus 2. Then what is a4? So a4 will be equal to a3 plus d. So a3 is equals to what? Minus 2 plus of minus 3. So d will be minus 3. We know that one. So minus 2, minus 3. So minus 5. So these are the terms. So let's going to write arithmetic progression. a1 will be equal to 4. Then a2 will be equal to 1. Then a3 will be equal to minus 2. Then a4 will be equal to minus 5. So if you take difference, we will get minus 3, minus 3, minus 3 as 1. So minus 3 is the common difference. Then what is the next one? Fourth one. So let's going to take fourth one. a1 will be equal to minus 1. Then difference will be equal to 1 by 2. So difference will be equal to 1 by 2. So fourth one. So A2 will be equal to what? A1 plus D. A1 is minus 1 plus of D will be equal to 1 by 2. So minus 1 plus 1 by 2. So take common difference, that is minus 2 plus 1 by 2. Why? Because take LCM, minus 1 into 2, we will get it as minus 2 plus 1 by 2, that is minus 2 plus 1, it is minus 1. Subtraction, minus 1 by 2. We will get like that, minus 1 by 2. Then A3, A2 plus D, A2 is minus 1 by 2, the difference is 1 by 2. So plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is 0. So that is half, that is 0, cancel it. Then A4 will be equal to A3 plus D. So A3 is equals to 0 plus D is 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. So what is the values? So what are the values here? A1 will be equal to minus 1, A2 will be equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, then A3 will be equal to 0, then A4 will be equal to 1 by 2. A4 will be equal to 1 by 2. So if you take difference, we will get exactly that is half. That is the case here. Then what is the final one? The fifth one is, A1 will be equal to minus 1.25. Then what is the difference? Minus 0.25. So these are the values. So let's going to take, what is this? A2. A2 will be equal to A1 plus D. So A1 is minus 1.25 plus of minus 0.25. So what value will get? Minus 1.25 minus 0.25. So we need to add, but the symbol should be minus. So adding means what value will get? 1.50 minus 1.50. So this is the addition, minus 1.50. So this is the value. Then what is the A3? So A3 will be equal to A1, A2 plus D. So A2 plus D, A2 will be equal to what? A2 will be minus 1.50 minus 1.50 plus of D will be minus 0.25 minus 0.25. So let's going to take minus 1.50 minus 0.25. Here also addition, but symbol should be minus. So we will get it as 1.75. Then what is A4? That is A3 plus D. A3 will be equal to what? 1.75 plus of minus 0.25. So I am writing fast, but you need to carry on and try to watch carefully. The concept is nothing. A4 is nothing but previous one and addition of D. That's all. This is the concept. So A3 will be equal to minus 1.75 minus 0.25. Then what value we will get it here is, so 5, 5, 10 and 2. So 10 will become, so 1.75, 0.25, so 10, 10, 10, 10, 2.00 minus 2.00. Therefore, what are the values? Minus 2.00. So A1 will be equal to, what is that? Minus 1.25. Then A2 will be equal to minus 1.50. Then A3 will be equal to 1.75. Then A4 will be equal to minus 2. So these are the terms in AP. So it is increasing minus 0.25. So like this we have to find the calculations. And thanks for watching. If you like the video, please give likes and try to share with your friends and family members. And don't forget to subscribe.